I'm going to take one of the coils that I just made and roll it into a spiral. If you are going to make a lot of spirals, make sure that you take your coils and you all cut them to the same length before you start. That way all of your spirals end up the same. So if I was going to make 10 spirals using, I would make 10 coils that are this size. I would cut them to however big I want them to be. And I would make my spirals out of those coils that are all the same length. So the first thing I'm going to do when I make my spirals is I'm going to pinch both ends. And then I'm just going to fold the end over. It might crack a little bit. It might not. I'm keeping this on the table as I do this. I don't do it in the air because there's my spiral. So all spirals have a good side and a bad side. You have to pick it up. I always think the side that's on the table is the good side. The next thing I'm going to do is these coils need to get locked together. So I'm just going to push in from the edge. I'm not pushing down at all. If I push down, I'm going to make my spiral flatten out. I don't want my spiral to flatten out. And that's it. I have a spiral. It's a pretty good one too.